minor loss on the NASDAQ, a minor gain for the S&P. But there's something in the Dow. One of those Dow 30 stocks is obviously doing well. The gentleman who's just joining us, bottom right-hand corner of the screen, is Eddie Ghabour. Now, Eddie, you made a lot of money recently. So do you think it's time to sell?
We are making a short-term tactical call to sell. Our team flagged how complacent this market is at the end of last week and how bullish everyone got. And so we started selling healthcare on Friday. We sold tech on yesterday, QQQ and SPY. And the reason behind that was not just the complacency, but you look at the dollar getting stronger, you look at the VIX having a hard time getting under 20, and on top of that, the MOVE index, which measures the bond volatility, has really had a big spike. So we think there's a lot of crosswinds and more downside than upside over these next 3 to 6 weeks as we head into the election cycle. And at the end of the day, our clients and new clients pay us to risk manage. When we see headwinds, we will sell and raise cash to have dry powder to buy the dip that we think we'll get here going into this election.
Okay, what about NVIDIA? I know you've been buying into it. Are you selling any of your NVIDIA stock?
We did not sell any NVIDIA, Stuart. That is by far our largest individual stock holding for clients. And the reason why we didn't sell it, one is tax reasons. Two is we don't think we're heading into a bear market. If we go into a bear market, as we think we may next year, we'll sell it then. But we think it'll be much higher by the end of the year. But if it does hit the 119 range during this sell-off, we will add to that position with the dry powder that we raised over these last 4 to 5 days, and that's how we risk manage around these crosswinds that we see here.
I'm picking up on the tax problem. I mean, if you're moving in and out, if you're selling some stuff that you made a profit on, you're going to pay a nasty capital gains tax on that. That must worry some of your clients.
Most of our clients will say, I'd rather pay taxes because of the gain versus losing 10 to 15% of my portfolio. And a lot of our tactical changes are more in IRA accounts, which are tax deferred,
Yep.
and we use a more tax sensitive strategy in our after-tax accounts. So we do treat those two types of accounts differently.
Okay, Eddie Ghabour, I got it. Short-term selling, long-term, you're still in the market and you're bullish. Eddie, thanks for joining us this morning. See you again soon.